Want to change your iPhone's GPS location without using a computer? Whether you're playing location-based games, using social apps, or just protecting your privacy, I've got the perfect solution. Now iMoveGo has a mobile app, no PC required. Just tap the link below to download it for free. Right now, my location is Los Angeles, but watch this. I'll search for Paris in iMoveGo, and instantly, my GPS location updates. Now, every app on my phone, whether it's social media, dating apps, yes, I'm actually in Paris. But here's where it gets even better. iMoveGo isn't just about teleporting locations. It can also simulate real movement at different speeds. For example, in single point mode, pick a destination, set your walking, biking, or driving speed, and let iMoveGo create a natural movement route for you. It's perfect for hiding your true movements. In multi-point mode, customize your route by adding multiple locations, adjusting speeds for a more realistic movement pattern. The coolest thing is the Joystick Mode. Take full control, move freely, adjust directions, and change speeds in real time, just like playing a game. Plus, iMoveGo works with popular location-based games, like Pokemon Go and Monster Hunter Now. Check out our last video to see how it works. No more need for a PC? Change your location directly on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you liked this video.